This is a Whirlybird I just installed in a low pitch iron roof. You can see it's installed well and working, and just take note, you hammer down these fronts along here, right? And the aluminium just stretches into place, but you don't want to seal underneath here because any water that might get in there needs to drain, so you seal on the ridge underneath. So you put silicone on this ridge, and so I siliconed up this ridge on both sides, and you always put silicone around on the inside of the top of this throat, but not on the bottom, because again any water that might get in through the vents or that needs to drain out the bottom. Okay, so don't block those off. Right, but other than that, this vent's here is going to do its job. And I'm just up there putting the next one in.